So we are in San Francisco on our anniversary trip. Here is the bay. I'm really missing my son, but I'm having a great time with my love. Here's our view from the balcony of our room. We're on the 17th floor at the Hyatt Regency. Crazy tall buildings. Nothing too special. That's pretty tight at nighttime. It's all lit up. All the piers. We're gonna have a fun-filled day today. I love my handsome man. I miss Atticus. There we go. Zoomed in a little too much. Pretty tight, pretty tight. Alright, that's it. Oh, here's the room. Here's the... Woo! There we go. That was the balcony. And this is the bedroom. Still pretty messy. Jeremy's in the bathroom. It's hard to get him out of there. They have the TV in the bathroom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's go see him. He's in the shower. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
What you doing?
It's pretty cool. That's not cool! They got a massaging bar.
Ooh, a massaging bar.
Yeah.
Ooh, our video camera's getting all steamy. Look at this. Pretty sweet.
Take the balcony shot already?
TV in the mirror. What?
Take the
balcony, yeah.
Well, they're called social mapping sites, and once you join them, they tell your electronic circle of friends exactly where you are. Their technology is
yeah!
Get out of here!
Not you! Oops, here is the door. Oh, I don't know if I can get out here, because I'll probably lock myself out, but... let's get a shoe. Dun 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 dun. There it is. The key. Well, we got our newspaper delivered to us. We are in 1722. And look how high up we are. Crazy. 17 floors. Pretty scary. Well, we're having a great time, and see you later.